little shoelaces, wiping off dirty faces, are just a couple of things that a mother will do. Mending a broken heart is only just a part of the care and the love that I've given you. With a Kool-Aid smile and a sparkle in your eye, wrap you in my arms and whisper this advice: be strong, be kind, be patient, and in time you'll find out, my son, what true love is all about. Be faithful and be true, show love in all you do, then you'll know just how.
Hi, Roderick! Kumusta ka na? Happy birthday!
Wish ko.
Kumusta na kayo dyan? Sinang Annalyn, tsaka yung dalawang baby. Kumusta na? Gusto ko nang makita.
Tapos ano pa?
O, tapos, tanong ko, kailan na uwi yung uli dito? Para magkasama-sama tayo.
Mag-iingat, sabi mo.
Ingat dyan. I love you. God bless.